first grade friends, it's Mrs. Hannah, and I'm ready for our reading lesson today. I'm excited about today's lesson. We're going to be listening to a little video song, and we're going to be able to describe and compare characters in the video. So I want to remind you that when you read a story or you listen to a song, you should always think about the characters in them and what they are like. Look at my anchor chart here. I have the word characters at the top. Characters are in a story, and they are people, animals, or things that the story is about. So here's some fun little characters. Here's the little boy. He's saying, "What am I thinking?" And this little girl over here, she says, "What do I look like?" She's looking in a mirror. And we have a robot. You could have a robot in a story as a character. What do I do? Do your best robot voice. And a little cat. Sometimes we can have animals in stories that talk. So that would make the story fiction. So this little character right here, this cat, is saying, "What am I like?" And the dog saying, "How do I feel?" Okay, so you can, as readers, get to know the characters by paying attention to details or small pieces of information in the words and pictures. Looking for details that answer the questions on this anchor chart will help you know what the characters are like on the outside, or maybe even what they are like on the inside, like how they feel or how they're thinking. You're going to be practicing describing and comparing characters when you listen to this next part, and it's a story song, and it's called "I'm Me." So I'm going to show you this next page. So the genre of this section is actually a song. So the type of study that we're doing is a song. Songs are words set to music. We can sing them out loud, and we can listen for the tune or how the song is sung, or how the song sounds, the words that repeat. You might even listen for how the song makes you feel. The purpose of listening to this song today is to watch to find out who the characters are and what they look like. Find out what the characters do and say. This will help you understand how they feel and why they act the way they do. So this story, or this song, is called "I'm Me." Before we listen to it, I want you to find out about the Fuzzies.
The Fuzzies are two brothers named Jacob and Josh. People also call them the Foo. The Fuzzies like making videos and music that they share on the internet. They sing songs by other musicians, but they also write their own songs. When the Fuzzies are not making videos or music, some of the things they like to do are play board games, hike, camp, travel, and watch movies and sports.
Awesome. So they're actually the Fuzzies, not the Fuzzies, like I just said. And they wrote this next song. So as you get to know the characters, I want you to think about the words of the song, watch for the pictures that pop up, use details in the pictures and the song to help you understand what the characters like, what makes them special, and why they act the way they do. This is called "I'm Me."
I'm me, you're you, I'm me, that's true, and I am unique. I'm me, you're you, I'm me, woohoo, and I am unique. We all have things that make us us, things that make you you. We all have our own favorite things and things that we're into. Wait, Jacob, what does unique mean? Oh, it means one of a kind. One of a kind? Yeah, but there are things that make you different than others. Oh, I see. Like what? You know what? Let's figure out what makes you you. Okay, let's do it. Here goes. I'm me, you're you, I'm me, that's true, and I am unique. I'm me, you're you, I'm me, woohoo, and I am unique. getting a hang of this. Yeah. And what's something you like to do? I like playing guitar. That is so you. I'm me. You're you. I'm me. That's true. And I am unique. I'm me. You're you. I'm me. Woohoo. And I am unique.
Okay. Excellent. So, after listening to that song, do you remember who the characters in the video were? I found out that they were brothers because in one of the sections of the song it says, "Who's your favorite brother?" or something like that. And so I figured out that they were brothers. I heard that their names were Jacob and Josh. Did you catch that? Let me ask you this. What makes each character special? In the song, we figured out that they like different things and they like to do different things, and that makes them unique and special. You don't have to like the same things as your brother or your sister or even your best friend. You can have things that are special and unique about yourself. So we're going to use the details from the song, I'm Me, to answer these questions. Number 1, characters. Describe what the characters are like. What things do they like? Why do the characters do the things they do? You can pause this video to think about it and then get back with me and I'm going to give you my answer. I think that the characters are two funny brothers, and I don't know, they both have black hair. They're really nice to each other. Each brother likes different things. Like they like different colors and different music and clothes. They do those things because it makes them feel happy. And the next question says, why do the characters think it is good to be unique? They said in the song that they think it's good to be unique because the things that make you different are the things that make you be you. And I think that that's important to remember. Characters in stories, they don't all have to be the same, and we can kind of figure out what they're thinking and feeling as we listen to a song or as we read the story, and we can describe how they're feeling. All right. These characters were wonderful in the story. I really enjoyed this song, and I hope that you did too. Thanks for joining me today. Bye, friends.